Welcome to this episode of Dhann Ki Baat. My name is Rupak Day, and today we are going to discuss about Nifty, Bank Nifty, sectoral indices, and few stocks. Starting with the Nifty, we can see that Nifty has fallen below the 200 days moving average, and during the entire week, bears were at the helm, and it seemed that bulls were in no hurry to fight back. So Nifty remained under selling pressure and fell down below its previous swing low. This swing low was broken during the previous week, and Nifty closed below that. And we can see that Nifty currently trading within a falling channel, and it is currently trading near. It is currently hovering near the midpoint of the falling channel. Now, as long as it is trading below this swing low, the near term trend will remain negative. Whereas if Nifty remains below this upper band of the falling channel, the trend will remain negative for the short to medium term. Also, it is remaining below the 200 days moving average, which can be called as a line of polarity. So, as long as Nifty is remaining below the line of polarity, the medium term trend will remain negative. Any rally towards the higher level can be used for trimming the long position or creating the short position. And on the higher end, the resistance, the stop loss for the short creating short position would be 17,000. Once Nifty moves beyond 17,000, we can expect a rally towards higher levels. But as long as it is trading below 17,000, we can trim out long position when it reaches towards the 16,900, kind of levels. And for the very short term, the resistance is at 16,400. Now let's talk about supports. Now, support is at around the lower band of the falling channel, and if we can move down towards the support zone in the very short to medium term. So, support is at 15,000. We can expect support is at 15,950 kind of level. Then it can move down towards this level like 15,500, which is the low of the previous consolidation. So that was about Nifty. Now we can talk about Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty has fallen below this trend line, and this trend line was drawn with the with this lows, this low, and this low, and now it has broken below this trend line, and RSI is also indicating bearish momentum. Also, we can see that the 50 EMA is coming towards the 200 days moving average, and going forward, we can expect resistance at around this level. This 36,000 is going to act as resistance for Bank Nifty, because we can see that the low, there was a swing low, then there was a swing highs around 36,000. So 36,000 is going to act as very crucial resistance for the short term. But for the very near term, the resistance would be this 35,000. So as long as Bank Nifty remains below 35,000, we can expect correction extending towards 33,000 kind of levels. But immediate support is there, like at 34,000. Below 34,000, correction will extend towards 33,000. Now let's talk about some sectoral indices. The first sectoral index is Nifty IT. So Nifty IT has a chart where you can see, this is a daily chart, and on the daily chart we can see that Nifty IT index is trying to move beyond this falling trend line. Like it is trying to give a bullish reversal, and it has moved back above the 200 days moving average. Now the trend is looking a bit positive, but it need to move beyond this trend line. Like overall, it need to move beyond 34,500 to witness a movement towards 36,000 and higher. On the lower end, 200 days moving average is going to act as a support, which is placed at 33,550 kind of levels. Also, we can see that there is a positive divergence in the RSI, which is indicating a positive momentum in the days to come. So overall, we are a bit bullish in Nifty IT. This is Nifty Auto. Last week we discussed about Nifty Auto, and we are expecting if correction if it fails to move beyond 11,000. Now it failed to move beyond 11,000, and this trend line was not broken. And then what we can see that if Nifty Auto Index has fallen below the 200 days moving average once again, and it also fell below this swing low. Now there was a horizontal support line at this level at 10,500. What it is? So this was there was a multiple highs and multiple lows around this level. So 10,500 was a very crucial support zone. Then it fell down below the 10,500 and moved down towards this swing low. This swing low is going to act as very crucial support for the for short term, like it is placed at around 9,700. So 9,700 is going to act as short-term support for the auto index. If the auto index can maintain this level, it can witness a short-term rally. On the higher end, once again, 10,500 is going to act as a very crucial level. This time, it will act as a resistance. Previously, it acted as support. Now, support has turned into a resistance. Now, 10,500 is going to act as resistance for the Nifty Auto Index. Now, our first stock would be a IT stock. It is ACL Tech. Now we can see that after falling from around 13,550 kind of level, it made around a ugly double top around 1350, and it fell down to 1050. Now we can see that it made a lower bottom at 1090 kind of levels. Now after falling uh, from 1350 to 10,000 1050, now it has started making higher bottoms. Now what does it implicate? The implication is if it can move beyond this trend line. Now low higher bottom means it's a start of bullish reversal. Now fast leg has completed. Now the second step is to move beyond this level, like 1150 is the resistance for the near term. If it can move beyond 1150, we can expect rally towards 1200. And then if it can move beyond 1200, it can move up to its previous swing high, like 1350 kind of levels. So we are bullish in the stock, and over the near term, it can move up higher as long as it is trading above 1115. So this low should be held. Our second stock is Asian Paint. So what we can see in the Asian Paint has corrected a lot, and this correction was backed by staggering rally in crude oil price. So we know that crude is a very important raw material for paint industry, and after a staggering correction, it has reached to a level where it has formed a bullish ABCD pattern. Now, a bullish ABCD pattern is a harmonic pattern, and its PRSA can be seen at around 2650. So as long as it can sustain above 2650, we can expect a rally towards 3000 once again. Like 3000 is this is the previous swing low, so it can move up to 3000 as long as it is trading above 2650. So one can trade in the stock with a stop loss of 2650 and expect a rally towards 3000 for the near to short term. So that's it for this week. We will be meeting you the next week. Thank you for watching.